As an eBay seller, it is important to understand how fees and earnings are calculated. So I will quickly break down the process in this video. I also have a spreadsheet linked in this video, but first watch this to understand the steps. 1. Determine the total sale. The total sale is simply your listing price plus the shipping you charge the buyer. If you are offering free shipping, then it is just the price. 2. Determine the order total. The order total is the total amount that the buyer pays after adding tax. This amount will vary by the buyer's location. Therefore, use a larger number for tax, such as 10%, so you can see the worst case. Then multiply this tax percentage by your total sale and add them together. 3. Determine the final value fee. The final value fee is a percentage of the order total, not your total sale. It is determined by the product category, but most products fall between 12% and 15%. Multiply this fee percentage by the order total to calculate the fee. See eBay's selling fees page linked in the description of this video for more details. 4. Determine the transaction fee. The transaction fee is 40 cents for orders above $10 and 30 cents for orders under $10. 5. Determine your order earnings. Add the final value and transaction fees together to determine your total fees. Then subtract your total fees from your total sale, not the order total, to determine your earnings. Once you have your order earnings, subtract the cost of your product, your own shipping costs, materials, etc. At this point, you will have a number for your total profit. This was meant only to be a verbal explanation of how profit is calculated. See my eBay profit sheet for a more automated calculation of profits on multiple listings. This will save you tremendous time in this process. A link to my spreadsheets is provided in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.